before money was being distributed at the center in Nairobi. And you can also see that since the devolution started, money reaches every corner of the country. And there are many changes. You go every county, you will get good hotels, you will get a lot of development in terms of roads and other infrastructure. For people of Nyamira, my message is one. Before you elected me, I gave a manifesto. And I'm implementing the manifesto. And before the next elections, I will have achieved over 90% of my manifesto. It's to be the time when you judge what I've done. And I promise you, I am fully dedicated to working for you.